In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to percentage scale in TradingView. Switching to a percentage scale is a simple change that can make your charts much easier to interpret, especially when you want to see performance in relative terms rather than raw prices. Instead of focusing on dollars or points, the percentage scale shows how much an asset has moved up or down in percentage terms over the visible range of your chart. This is great for quickly answering questions like how far a move has run or how two assets compare over the same period. Start by opening the chart you want to analyze. With the chart visible, right-click anywhere on the main chart area to open the context menu. It doesn't have to be on the price axis. A right-click on the chart background will work just fine. This menu is where TradingView keeps quick access to several display and scale options. From that menu, look for the scale choices and select percent. You'll also see options for indexed to 100 and logarithmic in the same place. Choosing percent immediately switches the y-axis to show percentage change relative to the first bar that's currently visible on your screen. If you pan or zoom the chart, that reference point updates, so it's a good idea to frame the time window you care about before switching. Once percent is enabled, you'll notice that moves are labeled as, for example, plus 3% or minus 1.5%, making it much easier to judge performance at a glance. While you're here, it helps to understand the other two options. Indexed to 100 sets the starting point of the visible range to a baseline of 100, and then shows subsequent movement relative to that baseline. This is especially useful when comparing multiple series on the same chart, because each one starts from the same index value. Logarithmic changes the spacing of price levels so equal percentage changes take up equal vertical space, which can make long-term trends with large price swings easier to read. If you ever want to switch back to your usual view, just right-click the chart again and pick a different scale mode from the same menu. A quick tip: because the percentage scale is tied to what's on screen, lock in your desired time frame and zoom level first, then switch to percent for consistent comparisons. That's it. With a single right-click and a selection of percent, your TradingView chart becomes a clean, percentage-based view that highlights performance clearly and consistently.